The Rack Shop is proud to present this Mazda 6, and we have just installed the Thule Force XT cargo box. So this is a rooftop mounted cargo box, 16 cubic feet. Now it's actually on top of a Yakima JetStream SkyLine roof rack that we've also just installed, and we'll put a link in the description below if you want to check out the video for that. So yes, this is a Yakima rack, and yes, this is a Thule cargo box. Both work beautifully together. Despite what some people say, you can actually mix and match and cherry pick the best of what's best for you. So no harm in that. I would say the one big upside to sticking with one brand is that you would be able to key match. So your lock for the cargo box could match the lock for the roof rack. However, it's not the end of the world. If your rack stays on most of the time, but your cargo box doesn't, then you're gonna need one key for the box anyways. So key inserts, turn the gray knob, push up on the lid, and there you go. 16 cubic feet of storage. So you can see on this Mazda 6, which is a 2014, fits the vehicle pretty well. So right now we've got it set directly dead center between the crossbars, which is ideally what you're looking for best weight distribution. And you can see the cargo box has a sort of a claw mechanism, and I'll reach on the inside of the box and loosen it up. And when I loosen it, it's going to loosen the claw from the bars. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And as far as tensioning it, go ahead and spin that knob as tight as you can until you hear an audible click, like a fuel cap. You know it's tight and it's ready to go. So do that on all four. Here's the inside of the box. So there's one knob here, one knob across, same thing back here. And yeah, it looks a little far to reach from here, but what you can do is close the lid, go around and open up the box from the other side. So it is dual-sided opening, just one side at a time. So for complete specs on the box, click the link in the description below. But the box can handle up to 165 pounds evenly distributed, skis up to 175 centimeters. The box itself weighs 41 pounds. Again, 16 cubic feet. And for the exact measurements, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. That'll take you to the page and you can read more about it. So it does come with some additional straps to help tie down cargo. So if it's not completely full, you can use those anchor points on the inside to help secure your cargo. Also has this handy strap to help you reach the lid on taller vehicles. So just pull the lid down, throw the strap in, bring that lid down, and you should be able to turn the gray knob and remove the key. A nice safety feature, if that lid's not completely closed, you actually can't turn the knob or remove that key. So the lid needs to be fully engaged with the base before you can turn that and remove the key. So there you go. This is a quick look at the Thule Force XT large cargo box. It's also available in a smaller sport model and in larger models as well. The extra large 18 cubic foot and the XXL 22 cubic foot. So to see more details on all that, again, links in the description. I'll take you back to our website, or feel free to reach out to us with any questions. So again, this is a quick look. But like always, thanks for watching.